Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do a review about this Porsche Edition trailer set. 3 in total, and we're going to start with the Porsche Panamera Turbo in combination with the 935K3. Cool. My favorite from this set. If you have a favorite, let me know in the comments. Okay, we can see it's a licensed product. That is what we like. And here on the package you can see what is possible with the trailer. So we have a moving part, but the moving part is not... the trailer is not the only one with the moving part, because the Panamera also has a moving part. Freeze the frame if you want to read this. We can see that Majorette is active on social media. Very important. Yeah, let's open this up. Let's do it a little bit careful. So afterwards I can put it back in the package. Let's lower the camera a little bit. There we go. And some more light. Yes. So here we got the complete set, not the complete set, but the car with the trailer and the Porsche. Let's see, let's start. Now, first of all, it got perfect rolling wheels. And I'm going to start with this one right here. And the cool thing is... No, where is the opening part? I think the opening part here in the front, yes. There it is, so we got some details here. Cool sound. Nice rims, plastic wheels and a plastic base. We can see some information. It's a 162. So very close to 164, let's say 3-inch. Lanced lights here in the front. Then we have a nice steering wheel. Dude likes nice steering wheels. And we have one bucket seat, just like it's supposed to be on a race car. Yeah, very cool. Painted rear lights. Then we have the Panamera with the opening part right here. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, very nice interior. Good wheels, very good rolling wheels, and we have some suspension, not much, but there is suspension. Lanced front lights with the Porsche logo in the middle, 59 on the hood. Side mirrors, very important. And we got a tow bar. Nice that the exhaust had a silver color here in the back, I like that. And painted rear lights with Porsche in the middle. Yeah, then we got the base. So a true 164 scale. I think a lot of you diecast collectors will collect 164 like that. And here we got the trailer, and this trailer is made out of metal diecast. So this is made out of plastic. Got plastic wheels with the same rims as the Porsche. And then we got this. Okay, there needs to be a car on top of it to keep it balanced. Yeah, almost forgot to mention, but this one also has side mirrors. Very small, but it has side mirrors. Here We got some jerry cans and spare tires in a red color. Okay, let's... Oh. There we go. Okay, let's go to the next one. The Taycan Turbo S917. You can see the complete package. And here you can see the back, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Let's open this up. We got a loose part. Let's see if we can fix that. Here you can see the trailer is wide. There. Easy fix, no problem at all. And here, this is black. I think that's a better color because of the tires. You can paint the jerrycans red or green if you want. I think red is a better color because of this here in the back. Porsche 917, I think that's a very cool model, especially with the opening part here in the back. They made different color variations. They made a gold version, a blue version. And there are a couple of more versions of this 917. 160 scale. Lanced front lights, windscreen wiper here in the front window, molded in the glass. Yeah, perfect rolling wheels with some suspension. Yeah, a little bit of suspension. And we got a nice red Panamera. I like this one. I like the red-white color combination with the red circle line here around the rims. Also cool rims. And again, the trailer has the same rims as the Porsche in front of the trailer. Yeah, basically the same with the opening part right here. And the same interior. Yep, here we got the base. 163. You got to be kidding me. Is this a different? Ah, now I see. Yes. This is the Taycan and not the Panamera. So this is a different Porsche. Pay attention, dude. Do your homework. And that's why we have a difference in scale. 164, 163. Yep. That's it. Okay, yeah, let's put it back here. One. And this one. You see also the tow bar is a little different. I'll show you. See, we got two different tow bars here. Basically the same, but different. And so there we go. And then last but certainly not least, Porsche Turbo with the 918 Spider. Officially licensed. And here we got the information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Let's see. Okay, here we got the Cayenne and a 918 Spider. Hey, but I was thinking about the fact that you can take this off. Is that possible if we can take this off? Yeah, like this. And then you have a very nice trailer. And maybe you say, don't like the blue version, or do it like this. And then you put this gray one right here. Don't have to do it, but you can see it is possible. And it's very easy. You got a nice trailer from metal. And maybe you can also put it behind another premium car. Maybe here we got a nice Majorette right here, the Raptor. This is in a 1/74 scale. And then you do it like this. And this is also working, and I think this is a very, very cool combination. So that is also possible, and you can also place a Land Rover Defender in front of it. Majorette got plenty of those. And then you can... I think this is also a very cool combination. Okay, but we were here with the Cayenne, and the Cayenne is also a 1/64 scale, plastic base, a little bit of suspension, boing, 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 lanced front lights, Porsche logo in the middle. Let's see. Have a look in the interior. Interior, nice interior, good steering wheel, good seats. Also in the back. And we also have an opening part. You can hide something in there. Yes, and then we have the Spider right here. I think it's very well done. No side mirrors. We got painted rear lights. And we got a plastic base. 61 scale. 161, there we see it. And we got lanced lights here in the front, and we got a very good interior. Some extra light to show you. Yep. Also a very cool set. Let me know what you think about this set. What is your favorite? And I think it's very cool. You can change the parts. You can take parts off. That it is possible. Very creative of a Majorette, in my opinion. Okay, thanks for watching. Please smash that like button, and I will see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.